subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. We have a Nakama Noodles box again. This is a box of different varieties from Japan. You can go to Miau, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code THERAMENRATER for a discount. And they told me that the discount now is for 15% off. It also applies to their Naniwa box, which I guess is a snack box, and I'm going to try one of those with my daughter next month. So stay tuned for that, but for now, let's crack this sucker open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see when you crack open this box is this leaflet, and it's proclaiming it's the February 2025 box, the Love at First Noodle box. And on the other side, you'll see this big QR code. And by scanning this code, you'll be presented with a link to a website that has a large PDF on it that has all the information about everything that's in the box, a little bit of cultural info. It's really quite nicely done. And that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to walk you through everything that's in the box. All right, so the first one we have here is Myojo Mode Gakuen Collab Spicy But Happy Honey Butter Sweet and Spicy Jigai Ramen. And as you can see here, it does have a sachet on top. Jigai, I'm thinking this is going to be like a funky, sweet Korean style thing. The graphics on here are interesting. I'm very curious on how this will be, so I'll be trying this one soon. Next up, a Marushan variety. This is Marushan Ganbare Green Onion Scent Meat Dashi Udon. And a lot of these, like this one I'm guessing, it's not going to have like a strong scallion, green onion, spring onion, negi flavor. But it'll probably be carried on the olfactory sense. It's an udon. This is really, whoa. This is a really popular range by Marushan. Yeah, this should be interesting. It's got a little, I got the cat with the scallion. Whoa. Next up from Myojo, this is a Myojo Ippichan tray variety. This is their Night Shop Yakisoba Kansai Okonomiyaki sauce flavor. So okonomiyaki is, I believe that's the one where you have like a batter and a lot of different stuff on a teppen, and it's kind of like a big blobby conglomerate fried monstrosity that sounds like it's absolutely the most wonderful thing ever created. Okonomiyaki sauce is very much like yakisoba sauce, and I don't know what the difference is. I think okonomiyaki sauce might be a little more leaning sweet than tart, or maybe less of a tamarind kind of thing. But either way, I'll be reviewing it and I'll let you know what I think. It looks like it's going to be a good one. Next up, we've got Nissan Rao Tantan Ramen. Yeah, I think I reviewed this one out of one of these boxes before. I'm not sure, but it looks very familiar, and I do like Tantan ramen, so we'll see how it goes. And here's one from Marushan's Kuta range. Kuta meaning I'm full or I'm satisfied. This is their carbonara. And I've had the creamy one, I've had the carbonara one, I've had like the cheese cream one. I don't know, these are okay, they're interesting, but they're not extremely what I'm looking for. But I mean, hey, it's something I haven't tried, so I'm looking for that, of course. But I don't know, the whole fascination with carbonara lately has just been kind of, I don't know, it was cool at first, but now I'm kind of like, let's do something new, you know? Next up from Marushan, we have Ganbare Jukensai Ore no Shio Onion Salt Yakisoba. So this is going to be an oniony yakisoba. It looks like the Ganbare range is all about onion, if I'm reading that correctly. That's cool. Again, here's the cat with the little pentagon with the large onion, or that kind of looks more like a leek. I don't know, but Cool. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Next up is Nissan Donbei Tempura Soba Western Japan version. Yeah, so I don't know the difference between the two versions. One's Western Japanese, one's Eastern, I think. There might be a Northern and Southern. I don't know, but I think I've had this one before, so I'll look it up and maybe you'll be looking at a picture of it right now. And finally, to round out the box, we have Nissan Ramen Shop Asahikawa Shoyu Ramen. This one's cool. It's got a little bear on it, and it's a shoyu, and I know I've had this one. I think I got it up in Canada. It might have been in one of these boxes. I'm not sure, but I have a feeling this is a good one. I'm not sure at this point, but if I have had it, you're looking at a picture of it. Alrighty then. So in this, the February 2025 Love at First Noodle Nakama Noodles box by Meow Mall, we've got shoyu, onion yakisoba, donbei, something jikai, carbonara, dantanmen, okonomiyaki sauce yakisoba, an olfactory treat, and your informational leaflet. Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, if you want to get one of these boxes, go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com, and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER for a 15% discount off your, I believe, your first order, and it applies to their snack boxes too, which again, I'll be doing one of those with my daughter next month. And yeah, a lot of good stuff in here. So, this has been Hans the Ramenrater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.